believe it? They're coming. That's just how it goes, man. So let's go for a ride around the island of San Andres. Time is so tight. Excited for this. Sailing to Panama has always been my sort of dream ever since I started sailing, to make it that far. You know, I really didn't know how to sail, and I really didn't expect I'll make it that far. I brought Shanti to a marina, and that's the first time we're in a marina ever since we left Guatemala. The gas tank is empty. So let me get my slippers here. So I'm gonna go on in a ride around the island, and we can see San Andres together while I get this puppy 5 pounds of propane filled up. Shanti's been here for about a week. That's my friend sailing Zingaro, James, and I got to fix some things on the boat. The autopilot belt needs to be replaced. The Iridium Go antenna is hooked up. Yeah, baby, right there. Looks so good. Gas station right outside. How convenient is that? Oh, that's James. He's gone. Ah, the best scooter ever. $16 a day. So let's go for a ride around the island of San Andres. Starting the motor. I got my gas tank with me. Let's see if we can make an illegal. Yeah, traffic lights and road signs here are nothing more than a courtesy. Not too many people follow them. Here we go. For about 2 weeks before I brought her to the marina. This is a gym that I go to. I paid $10 for 2 weeks. The equipment are super old, but it works. When you're an island, you gotta live the island life. Smells like a mixture of like sewage and salt water and dried fish in the air. Abuela. High-rise building, big shopping and duty-free stores. Island gas. Buenos días, ¿cómo está?
En la oficina allá adelante.
Vamos a la oficina. Va, no persona en la oficina. ¿Te recuerdas de mí?
Sí, señor.
Sí. Pregunta, amiga. Mira, es mío. Yo sé tú no puedes llenar. Pero, ¿tú puedes venderme otra pequeña?
Sí, claro, ya le abro la oficina.
Vamos. She cannot fill my gas tank. I think it's a safety issue. First place ever in the world that I've seen that. I mean, I get it, but maybe in the US they won't do it. But first island in the Caribbean, or first place in the Caribbean that will not fill up my propane tank. She said she can sell me one. Buenas. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, we had to fill up some paperwork just to buy a gas tank. This island is very legit. I need to get a Panamese flag on here. They want my ID just to buy a gas tank. It costs $50 to buy this gas tank. I'm probably not gonna fit on the boat. It'd be great if it does, then I can really feel good about spending that money. But without coffee in the morning, I'm willing to spend the $50 and use it till I get to Panama. Then get rid of it. Paperwork. Alright, what's this fucking Espanol? Nombre, Capitán. Amore, come on. Tipo de identificación. Eso. 907-9106. Ok, bueno, yo compro.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Bueno, tome asiento y ahí aquí.
We have our gas tank. I think it will fit right into the boat. It's about the same size. I paid 230,000 peso for it. That's like $45. I get to keep the tank too. Maybe I can use it for the barbecue on the boat, so I can have 2 tanks. I'm leaving. They're coming. That's just how it goes, man. Leaving the island of San Andres, we spent a month here. Now this is much better. I have the autopilot steering, so I don't have to run into deep, shallow water. The channel is very well marked. That's the island right there. The reef runs all on the east, all around the east side of the island. I've checked it out a little bit. Did some spearfishing. Could have totally done more. This time is so tight. That island there is called Cotton Cay. It's pretty cool. It's an island in the middle of, like, you know, it's a small island and people just go to it to sit on the beach and drink beer all day. It's an island front of an island. It's the smaller island of the 2 islands. I'm gonna make sure I'm still in the channel here. Yeah, all is good on the good ship of Shanti. Looking good. Excited for this. Sailing to Panama has always been my sort of dream ever since I started sailing, to make it that far. You know, I really didn't know how to sail, and I really didn't expect I'll make it that far, so I'm really owing myself. Owing, is that a word? Wooing myself. I'm cheering myself up. Yeah, good work. Good job, Lori. That's pretty cool there. There's shallow water there. People have parties. We took a boat one day with James from Zingaro and we anchored, and yeah, had a bunch of fun. Stingrays came along.
You can pet them,
I installed my Iridium Go antenna. Yo, check it out. Oh fuck, my boat is moving too much to starboard. It's my girlfriend, my hot Russian girlfriend right here, sitting in the moon. My hot Ukrainian girlfriend. I can delete it, baby, if you don't like it. Have to put it in gear. Alright, now we're back in deep water. So the island is right there. Such a good time. Reef is all around right there.